To make today's videos a lot easier on both of us and so that you don't have to sit there watching me write the whole entire time, I've already written down most of the information that you would need to copy down into your notes, and then we are just going to go over what the notes are saying and then do the examples together. So you're going to need to pause the video often, all the videos that you're going to see today, to make sure that you have all this stuff written down in your notes before you go and ask for your classwork. You have to have everything that's written down in all 5 videos written down in your notes before you can get your classwork. And 5 videos sounds like a lot, but it's not, because we only have a little bit on each of the videos. So the first thing that what we're talking about today is probability. The first type of probability that we're going to talk about today is empirical probability. So it says our formula is right below. P parentheses E means the probability of E is the observed number of times E occurs over the total number of observed occurrences. And I just realized I spelled that wrong, so sorry. Okay, so that is our formula. So the total number of times it occurs over the total number of times we see it. So we're going to, for our first example, we're going to use this table here. So pause the video and make sure that you have both the formula and the table written down into your notes. Okay, so our table is talking about the hours of sleep and the number of Americans. And so now we are going to answer this question about the table. So again, you want to pause your video, make sure that you have all this written down before we go over it together. It says, find the probability of randomly selecting a person who gets 6 hours of sleep. So we have to look in our table and we see how many people get 6 hours of sleep. Well, we have 68.75 people who get 6 hours of sleep. So that is the observed number of time the event occurs. So that goes at the top. Divided by the total number of observed occurrences. Well, how many people did we survey? 275. So in our calculator, we just do this math. 68.75 divided by 275, and we get 0.25. So there is a 0.25 probability of us selecting a person who gets 6 hours of sleep.